Alright, just for fun, quick first demo of the JBL L200s, and these are beautiful. This is Dire Straits LP, Brothers in Arms.
These mist-covered mountains are on down for me. But my home is the lowlands, and always will be. Someday you'll return to your valleys and your farms, and you no longer burn to be brothers in through these fields of destruction, baptisms of fire, I've witnessed your suffering as the battle raged high, and the wind was so bad. In the fear and the alarm, you did not desert me, my brothers in arms. There's so many different ones, so many different songs, and we have just been born, but we live in different worlds.
you for taking the time to check these out. Let's see if I... Fortunately, the record that I was using, I found at a thrift store, so it's a little scratched up, but... And it's nighttime here, so the lighting is always a little tougher, but pretty excited about these. So I'm gonna enjoy these for a while, but just like everything else, I'll sell these to move on to try something new. But these are in amazing condition. The only blemish really on them, and this is embarrassing, is one that I did, because the place that I bought them, their website said they help load, so I drove several miles by myself, but then ended up having to load them by myself, and they weigh 127 pounds, so I chipped the riser on the bottom a little bit. But if I had to pick a place to ding these, I would choose that, because that is pretty easy repair. And now I have the wire mesh for the grills. It looks literally like something you'd put in your window. It's a metal screen. And obviously it's got, have to buy the foam to go over them, but they're in very good condition too. So once they're completed, they Velcro in, so they're a little hard to get out once you put in. Luckily, it looks like I put that one in backwards. So just started dusting them off. Put a little bit of wax on the wood, but other than that, this is pretty much the condition that I got them in, and I was very, 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 very impressed. So this is a little bit of a dull spot. It looks worse looking through the camera, but it's not really an impression in the wood or anything. So alright, thank you very much, and hope you enjoyed taking a look at these. And more videos and information to come. Please, if you want updates, make sure you follow us and check out our website, bigazspeakers.com, and also follow us on Facebook. You'll find us at Big AZ Speakers there as well. Alright, thank you, and stay tuned.